Hello, welcome to video number 2. This video is mostly sanding, filling the areas where the solar panels ripped off some of the paint. Yeah, just a lot of sanding, I'm afraid, and it's been slow progress. The weather's been so bad. I don't know if how well you're going to hear this. It's like 40-mile-an-hour wind today. It's just been so wet, so it's nice to have a bit of sunshine, try and get a bit of work done. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for tuning in. So these are the two batteries that come with the boat. They're a decent make and good quality battery. I'm just not sure how good they are anymore. So they're deep cycles, so they're designed to release power over a prolonged period of time rather than like a battery on a car that produces a lot of power in a short period. But because they're deep cycle, they have like a predetermined amount of cycles they can do in their lifespan, and I don't know how many they have done. So a way of testing this is to perform a load test. So I'm going to see if I can get hold of a tester and see what condition they're at. It would be good if I can reuse them because they are expensive, and if you went lithium ion you're looking at thousands of pounds. So hopefully we can reuse these. So all I've done here is I've keyed and cleaned 3 different areas of the boat. So this is a patch that I've sanded back. This is a patch that looks like it has like a second coat of paint on it, and then down here is a patch that's looks like the original. Because I don't know if it's a 1-pack or a 2-pack paint, so I've got some old 2-pack paint I've mixed up. I'm just going to put a bit on each area and see if it sticks. Basically all the areas have been sanded and then cleaned. It's not really warm enough, but as for a little test I'm hoping it would be okay. It's like lifeboat orange, or bad omen. So it's been a couple of days since I put these test pieces on. Bit of 2-pack paint, and it's gone off really well. The nail test doesn't leave any indents, so it's cured nice and well. It seems pretty stuck on there, no blistering, so yeah, I'm happy to give it all a light sand and then go straight over the 2-pack paint, which is good news. So today I'm going to start sanding the hull. Obviously because it's not a flat surface like the top structure, got a Festool, they call them interfaces, so it's just a soft pad. Hopefully that's going to let it conform to the curve. I'm going to give it a go with 120 grit, see if this top layer of paint comes off, see how we get on. well. Just trying to decide, because that's the hole for the compass, but the electronics, all the fuse boards right behind there, and your compass will get affected by ferrous metals and electronics. So I think I'm going to fill this hole in and reposition it over there, and I might as well fill these two holes in, which is where the navigation instruments were, because I don't think we're going to have two separate ones like that, because we're going to do a lot of coastal rowing. It'd be good to have like an actual screen that we can use to navigate with and actually look at the charts. So I think it's going to be easier just to patch these in, paint it all, and then cut out what I need for the chart plot. So I've got some foam. It's a high density foam, the core of this. So the top structure is carbon Kevlar foam core. I think the hull is just like layers of carbon. So I've got some high density foam, so I'll cut and shape that and then stick that in, and then fill and fair it. So my foam patches have stuck in pretty well. I'm just going to clean or key this up. Cut out some circles. I've got some carbon Kevlar. I'll just build it up in a couple of layers so it's somewhere near finished surface. Yeah, let that go off. And then just put a coat of filler over everything that's kind of a bit lower, that's a bit below this sort of top coat. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. The filler's on. Probably take another couple of goes at that to sort that out. Yeah, cheers for watching. Like and subscribe if you can, that'd be great. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.